Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Anger Management. It's a classic. The song is Get Off by the artist DIDDY. It's a remix by DJ BOOMAN. The choreography is BULLOCK. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674 and let's go.
We like to dance in the summertime outside on the street corners. At home, we call it getting off. Getting off. Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off. Get Yeah, BOOMAN, turn it down. Turn the volume of the music down a little bit. Turn it down like that. Yeah. Okay? When I was a little boy, my mama, she bought me one of them play school record players, you know? And so, early Christmas morning, after you open up all the presents, you start playing with the presents, and my favorite present was the record player. So, I plugged that record player in, and I put on that James Brown, and I was just standing there, listening to it. I was so intrigued. And my mom, she came up to me, she hit me on the shoulder, she said, get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Go play! See, I'm from home. See, I'm from home. See, where I'm from, feel. I like the way you feel when you feel the way you feel how you feel. I like the way you feel when you feel the way you feel how you feel. I like the way you feel when you feel the way you feel how you feel. Be more. I see.
And there you go. Anger management. It's a classic, guys. I'll pin the instructional at the end of this video. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.